Recently, I had someone ask me, with the onset of AI, is PLR still relevant? My answer is simply absolutely yes. Now, let me elaborate here. AI tends to have a very distinct way in which it writes. But if you've got something which was written by a human being, you get it to stay in the same style and to just rewrite the content, then it's going to be far more accurate, and it's also going to stay to a very human-like style of writing, as opposed to writing like an AI. So today, we're going to be turning a PLR ebook into a video course. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Well, clearly, if you're going to be turning a PLR product or PLR ebook into a video course, you're going to need some PLR. So I'm over here at ID PLR, and I'm going to go over here to the category section. And if you notice here, you've got different categories. You've got different things like over this. You got video, tutorials, courses, graphics and designs, templates, themes, music, all that kind of stuff. So let's go to ebook and reports. And over here on the right-hand side, you'll see there's reseller rights, master resale rights, and then you got private label rights. And that's the one we're actually looking for. So click on that, and this will take us over to this section over here. So let's go and have a look at what we're going to do. Now, I'm kind of tired of doing the Faceless Marketing Masterclass one all the time. So let's go look for a different one. Let's just keep scrolling through until we find something we want. YouTube success. Yeah, maybe. I think I've done that one a few times before. Let's. This one looks like it might be okay. Side hustle success. All right. So let's just click on that. And oh, good. It does have a preview, so we can have a look at that in the preview. Go over here to Side Hustle Success. Click on that, and go to ebook, and we'll open this one up here and have a quick look. So, okay, you got your main topic. Oh, look, it's got some subtopics, subheadings as well. That's good. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that one, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the one we've actually just downloaded. So I'm just going to open that up, go to the ebook section, and then it's got the main source file, which is the Word document. So we just open that up, and we'll have a little bit of a look at what it looks like. So Side Hustle Success. Okay, Side Hustle Success down there. Then we have all of our headings and subheadings. And okay, we got our introduction. Okay, cool. So let's start on our introduction, but let's have a look here. Oh, hang on. All right, so there's only a really small section there. So let's just click on here and grab all of that. And then we'll head over to ChatGPT and pop it straight in there. Be right back. So what I have here is, please rewrite this passage so it maintains the same style and information, but is written differently. Specifically, make sure it maintains the overall tone and remains consistent. And then I've got to put that in, and then I'm just going to, I've got to put that in, and I'm just going to hit send and let it do its thing. Be right back. Okay, so all I need to do now is click that and pop that straight into here. Now, once again, give myself a little bit of spacing, highlight over the top of that, and just replace that with this text here. Oops, you see what I mean? It put it into that. Okay, so I'm just going to undo that and move that other text below it down as well, so that I don't have it running into this text here. Go Control V, and there we have it. Now, over here, I'll just delete that. Going here, I'm now going to go to heading. In fact, I could just go here and hit that one. But I think heading will be better. We also need to make sure that it comes up as number 1. There we are. So I'm now going to bring that back up. And over here, decide on the format of your course. And in fact, what I might do is get the, no, I think that's okay. I'll shrink that down just a little bit because I think that's a bit too big. And maybe make it that. 28 will do. And while I do all this, I'm just going to grab all this information here. I might even go a couple of these just to speed it up a little bit. That'll do. And we'll put this in again. Now, I'm not going to make you watch me do this entire thing all the way through several times. I'm just going to do this particular chapter, and then we'll move on to doing the PowerPoint slides. So bear with me while I do this. Bear with me. Bring that up. I'll just pop this, copy this, and place that straight in there. Put a exclamation mark just there and at the bottom. Okay, and I'm just going to separate it a little bit, and then we'll start to create this. Pause the video until I've finished. Okay, so we now have enough information here on both this one, the introduction, and the first chapter to be able to create a PowerPoint slide, not only with PowerPoint slide, but also a complete structure for this particular part of the course. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take this back up to the introduction part. So I'm just going to copy over this. And we're now just going to open up PowerPoint slide. And what I'm just going to go here is do a blank presentation. Now I could do create a presentation about, create a presentation from file, add slide, add topic, ask Copilot. But in this particular case, I think I'm just going to go over here to ChatGPT PowerPoint. And we're going to be doing it create from text. So I'm just going to go clicking here, go Control V. And then I'm going to scroll down to here. You see how it says transform content to fit slide? I'm going to go keep original text. And then we're going to hit continue. And then it's going to create the slides. It's going to create a whole bunch of different things. And we'll be right back until it's finished. Actually, it appears to have finished anyway. So let's now move over here to continue. We can now choose one of these. I think I'm going to choose this one. And I'm just going to hit continue. Now it's going to generate everything on the slides. And we shan't be too long. I don't believe this will take too long at all, but I'll pause the video until it's finished. Okay, so now all I need to do here is go save and close. Getting started. Now what we can do is when you're going through this, you have a read through your actual content as well, especially the introduction part, and you put the relevant information into the footnote section or the notes section just here, so that when you turn your PowerPoint on, when you go over here to slideshow, you need to make sure that if you don't have two monitors, that it's on the primary monitor section. And we can go from beginning. And what you need to do is record this area just here. So if you have a screen recording software, I would suggest that you just record this area here, and then you can have your notes in this section here. Let me show you. So I'm just going to grab the first little paragraph from the slide, from this here. Okay, so I'm just going to grab that little bit there, copy that, and we'll place that into the notes section. And then here, then we can even grab this area here if we want, copy that, because it's using the exact text, so we can just go straight into there. This one here has got this as well, so we can just take that. I'll cut that off and pop that straight into there. Because I don't like having too much information on the page because it becomes too distracting, so I'm just going to cut that as well. Pop that into the notes. And do the same again with this one. Cut that, pop that into the notes, and do the same with this one. So just cut that, pop that into the notes, and all we then have to do is I'll just remove that. then all you need to do is just do some transitions. Purpose of side hustle. And you can also, if you want to, put a few dot points there. If you think that there's something that could be added into dot points, you can add that in there as well. And that goes the same for this. But if you have something, I prefer not to have my screens too cluttered if I can avoid it. So it just becomes less distracting. Now, as I said, if you can manage to put it in here and make sure that it's got some dot points and stuff like that, I would highly suggest you do that. But this is fine as well. So let's go and have a look at the slideshow. There we go. So this is the area you would just record. Then you just read your notes out. This report, and then you can just change that from report to this video. Takes a close look at a range of profitable side hustles that can be done alongside your existing job. And then once you finish reading that, you move over to the next slide, and then you just read that out as well. Every side hustle covered here is designed to generate additional income and then you just keep moving on and on and on until you have actually finished that part of the course. And that's just the introduction video. And then you can do the same thing again and again and again until you've got your entire course. And once you've done that, you can package it all together and sell it online. So it really is as simple as that. Now, I could create another one, but I'm choosing not to. And I would highly suggest that if you're going to do this, you stick to the same theme all the way through so that it maintains consistency. All right, guys. Now, if you got some value out of this video, have you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this way of creating a video course. Also, to let you know, right here, speaking about video courses, is a playlist of a video course that I've created. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.